In this training series, you'll learn how to properly deploy the abdominal aortic and junctional tourniquet at the abdomen, inguinal, and axilla. Abdominal application of the AAJT-S. Contraindications. Step 1. Wrap the device around the abdomen and connect the ladder strap until red meets red. Step 2. Position the bladder directly over the umbilicus. Step 3. Hold the D-strap and pull to tighten the belt and remove all slack. Step 4. Use the ratcheting buckle to complete tightening. Step 5. Inflate the bladder until the green indicator appears. This confirms you've reached the optimal pressure range. Inguinal application of the AAJT-S. Step 1. Wrap the device around the pelvis and connect the ladder strap until red meets red. Step 2. Position the bladder over the inguinal crease of the injured leg. Step 3. Pull the D-strap on the belt while pulling in the opposite direction to tighten the belt and remove all slack. Step 4. Use the ratcheting buckle to complete tightening. Step 5. Inflate the bladder until the green indicator appears. This confirms you've reached the optimal pressure range. Axilla application of the AAJT-S. Step 1. Raise arm above the head. Wrap the device around the patient and opposite shoulder. Connect the ladder strap until red meets red. Step 2. Position the bladder over the axilla. Step 3. Tighten the belt and remove all slack. Step 4. Hold device in place while using the ratcheting buckle to complete tightening. Step 5. Inflate the bladder until the green indicator appears. This confirms you've reached the optimal pressure range. Avoid cutting to remove. This could lead to the immediate loss of hemorrhage control. Only remove when a trauma team is present. Twist the valve counterclockwise to deflate the bladder and release all excess air. Next, lift and release the black pull tab and remove the ladder strap. The AAJT-S is a single-use device and should remain in place until the patient reaches definitive care. If needed, you may re-engage the ladder strap and re-inflate the bladder to maintain bleeding control.